Hey everyone, Asian Dad here. Sorry I've been sick for the last few days, so I thought I'd just do a quick video to show you two things that could help make your life a little bit easier on Windows 10. I do this for all my clients who get a new computer. It resolves two of their most basic issues. So first off is getting MyComputer back onto their desktop because it's been used so much. So first off is basically easy way to click on is just right click on anywhere on the desktop itself, click on personalize. After personalize, go to themes on the left hand side, then on the right hand side go to desktop icon settings, and then just click on computer icon up the top left hand corner and click on OK, and just click on the X to close it, and then you'll see MyComputer back onto it's called this PC now. I just usually just right click, go sort by item type, and that brings it to the top left hand corner. So that's pretty easy there, and that's will fix up having MyComputer back here, which is quite useful. Now you can also change the behavior of Windows File Explorer. So by default it goes to quick access, and this is a learning from Windows 10 on all the recent files that you have open, and it just gives you suggestions on that. So a lot of people do end up liking have when you click on File Explorer it goes to this computer, or MyComputer as it used to be called, and it makes it a lot easier. So to do that, all you need to do is just open up Explorer and then click on View on the tabs, and then on the right hand side click on Options, click on Change Folder and Search Options, and in the top here it says Open File Explorer to Quick Access. Change that to this computer, click on OK. You can close this one down, and pretty much when you click on Windows Explorer it goes to this computer, which is MyComputer, which is more useful for some people. Another thing I do for my clients is actually trying to get this system tray under control. By default this is expanded out, and it gets quite annoying when you've got a lot of icons and background applications and services running itself. So when you actually open up your applications, they start to pretty much, and they overflow, and pretty much you get this annoying scroll bar here just for your applications that you have open. Now the easy way to actually get rid of all these is pretty much go to right click on desktop again, go to personalize, and in down here on the left hand corner is the taskbar. Under the taskbar scroll all the way down, go up by a little bit of scroll, and there's under notification area select which icons appear on your taskbar. Now easy way is just to switch this off, and you'll see all those icons on your system tray are hidden away. They're still there, just click on this carrot top and you'll see it sitting there in the background. Now you can also customize this one, see what appears. Say for example you do want to see the cloud a lot, you can switch it on and off. These things are pretty easy to switch on and off. You can actually customize that. It's pretty nice there, but at least it solves that issue where you have to scroll for seeing all the applications you have open. If you find this video informative, give it a like, and if you haven't done already, subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner. And I do try to produce a video every Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays. And just remember, imperfections in life makes it beautiful and interesting. I'll see you in the next video.